Tell me what to do.
Okay, guys,
Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit them all to see what damage I could do.
Okay.
Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the groups.
Hey babies, welcome to my channel if you're new and welcome back if you're not. Saturday, March 2nd, and it's 4:19 right now. Today, you guys are gonna be basically seeing a weekend in my life. Y'all like my new necklace? Y'all like my S necklace? So I'm basically going to be vlogging my entire weekend and you guys are just going to be coming along with me. It's 4:15 right now. My day just started. Y'all know my day only starts once I get off of work. Work is like a filler, but once I get home, that's when the day really starts. I'm about to get in the shower right now. Later this evening around like 6:30, my friend has a Euphoria themed surprise party. So me and my friends are about to hang out. We're about to get ready and go to that. I don't know if I'm not gonna get ready with my friends though. I'm gonna get ready here, and we're kind of like on a time crunch because it's 4 o'clock, so I really should be doing makeup and everything right now, especially because I really want to look good. So I'm about to get in the shower. I'm gonna see y'all when I hop out, and once like everything is on. I already picked out my outfit. It's like this cute little gray joint that I got from Shein. I'm gonna see y'all when I get out the shower though.
I seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out?
Alright y'all, so I just got out the shower now. I'm about to start my makeup. This makeup look is gonna kind of be giving like Euphoria, rhinestones. I'm gonna try something different. I'm really actually gonna do my glam. Most times I usually just do like quick concealer, foundation, keep it pushing, but I'm actually going to take time on my makeup. I'm most definitely running late, but what's the party with me not come late to it? So y'all don't know that about me yet, but I literally come late to everything. So yeah, let's just get started. I'm gonna try and speed it up, but to be honest, when it comes to makeup like that, you literally can't rush it. I already picked out my outfit and everything, so I'm literally good. It's not laid out though, but I know where it is for the most part, so I'm good on that. I'm just gonna do my makeup because it's the most time consuming, and yeah.
Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it.
So I'm literally super excited to go to this Euphoria party because I haven't been to one since like 2021, and it was so freaking crazy. So was it even 2021? It was like 2022 maybe. So today's look is going to be more so galactic. That's the theme I'm going for because Euphoria parties always look so freaking galactic, so that's what I want to do. I'm going to put like some info on the screen so y'all can kind of see what I'm trying to give today. I'm going to start my makeup routine the same way, and I'm low-key going to shut up so I can actually do what I have to do, because if I talk to you guys, I'm going to be talking for a freaking long time. So let me just do a couple things. Y'all can just watch me do my makeup, and I'll see y'all in a little bit.
Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. No.
It's giving very much cunt. It's giving very much, I don't even know, but it's giving something and I like it.
I don't want you, baby, I just want you to give. Baby, I've been a little foul, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me.
Okay, so little update. I'm currently baking right now. I'm about to start doing my wig. The only problem is I don't even know what type of wig to even do for this event. And the worst part about this event is that all of my friends, well, not all of them, but most of them, they're suddenly not coming anymore. And it's just like, that's so weird. Like, why are you not coming? None of them really have even valid reasonings for real. But it's okay though, because I'm still gonna get ready. I'm still gonna come. But I've already done my eyebrows. I've gotten to the baking point, okay? There was a reason why I wasn't wearing this wig. And then I look at the lace and I remember the reason why I wasn't wearing this wig. Like, y'all, Look at that. It's not as bad, but it's still like, this is not about to be a melt. So I'm about to literally be playing with this lace until I get this stuff out, and I don't even have that much time. That's the whole kill. Okay guys, so I don't know if y'all have noticed, I've been becoming really consistent when it comes to my channel lately. Like, I don't know, but my channel's low-key been in a rut for real. Like, I don't know what it is. It's been kind of like hard to try and get y'all to watch my newer uploads, even though I've been consistent. Kind of came up with like an editing schedule for my channel. Not even editing schedule, but like a posting schedule. I've come up with a posting schedule for my channel, and I'm gonna be posting twice a week. It doesn't matter, just know it's gonna be twice within 7 days I'll be posting. I don't really know the day because I don't want to limit to myself to a day to post, because then it's gonna start to feel more like a job, like, oh, I have to post on Tuesday and Wednesday, rather than, okay, just post twice a week whenever you feel like it. So that's just what I'm gonna be doing. I literally hate whenever I do my makeup and then my nose starts running, like, oh my god. Alright y'all, so I just finished my makeup, but I'm not even gonna lie, I don't think I like it. Like, I think I look very ugly right now, so I don't really care. I'm about to do the rest of the stuff that I have to do. I don't even think I'm gonna wear the dress anymore that I wanted to wear, just because of how I fucking ruined my face. Yeah. I'm so upset. Okay guys, so this is the final look. It looks way cuter. I'm not even gonna like do the edges or anything, because in Euphoria I did not see nobody with no edges for real. Yeah, so this is the look. The Uber's outside, so I'm about to spray some perfume and then get going to my friend's house, and then I'll see y'all over there. Hey guys, so we're in the car on the way to the Euphoria party. Don't be acting all thuggish in my vlog. Crazy girl. Say it. Okay.
Look at her. Look at her woman.
Hey guys, so we're at my friend's house. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit when I go to the bathroom, but I'm still getting ready, so yeah. I don't know if I should fix my lip combo or not. So, but I'm trying to make my hair more messy, because in Euphoria they be messy but cute.
So I'm Adiana, and yeah, that's awesome. It's a surprise party for Jamila. I think they know that already. It's kind of stressful, you know. Today's been like really stressful because
I feel like I've seen All Black. I know I've seen All Black. Alright y'all, so this is what the makeup is looking like. Got my girl, she's getting ready for the party. I'm about to go downstairs because I am the MC. I've just been stalling, but
so I have
speak up, Joanne. Speak up.
corset top. Then I have these little army camel bottoms, and I'm wearing some Yeezys, and I'm wearing my brown Telfar. Hey guys, so I have on this dress from Fashion Nova. It's like cut out on the sides, you know what I'm saying? So I'm a little too supposed to give me Euphoria. And then I had an orange slow handbag, but it's downstairs. And get into my top. And then I had these diamond slides, and that shit torched off.
So I had to change the car. I had all black, but I took me this from this store. My dad pants.
Your dad is this small?
It's Yeezys.
Okay. So this is the fit. So we got the purse from Shein, the dress from Shein. The shoes are my mom's. It's giving very much cut and Maddie.
What are you talking about? And look at
Because I didn't feel like I didn't feel like wearing shoes through.
look at how it's reflecting, y'all.
This little sweater, I'm kind of body.
And y'all get into the haircut. What are you talking about?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Camilla. We live baby and sugar. can take your eyes, gotta see it through. I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? You can do the face to face. You can pick a time and a place. You spend some time away. I take your name.
You an ugly ass nigga. Like,
Good morning, guys. So it is the next day. The party was so much fun last night. I really enjoyed my time. It's currently 9 o'clock right now. I'm even shocked that I'm even up so early talking so loud because y'all know me. I literally am always quiet once it's the morning time because it's too early to be talking. But I'm about to get like ready for the day. I'm about to do some skincare and some stuff, wash my face, take my shower. I really want to be productive today, so I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. So yeah, come on, let's go. All right, y'all, so I'm back. Anyway, the party was so much fun yesterday. Like, oh my gosh, I haven't been to a good party in such a long time, and that Euphoria party, it was the one. But yeah, it was literally so much freaking fun. I enjoyed myself.
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do. Okay. Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind.
All right, so I'm gonna use this Clarins facial cleanser. It's like this one-step thingy. Never tried it before, never used it before. Y'all know I like my CeraVe, but we in my mom's bathroom, so we're gonna use whatever she used. So anyway, so I'm just gonna put some on my hand, put it on my face, and I'm supposed to leave it on, but I'm gonna get in the shower later anyway, so it'll be on for like a little bit. And I guess it's gonna like remove all like the excess makeup. I washed my face pretty well last night when I got home, but who knows, for real. And it's basically supposed to like remove like all of the dirt. And yeah, that's just all I'm gonna do for skincare for right now. Okay, y'all, so I just did all my skincare. I'm about to change into something that's not in my robe so I can get a good stretch in, because sometimes I'll be waking up and my back hurts for whatever reason, and it's just because I haven't stretched. So I'm gonna stretch today because I know later on I need to practice some choreo for my dance. We have a performance like coming up at the end of the week, so I also need to practice because I cannot be messing up on stage. So I'm gonna stretch and then I'm gonna start practicing the dances. And yeah, and I don't usually do this like in the morning, but because I woke up so early for whatever reason, I'm just gonna do it because why not?
Okay. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do. Okay. Deep down, think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. Tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to.
Seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all. When you haven't stretched in a long time, this stuff hurt so bad. But I'm almost done, thank goodness, because I'm literally, I don't know, I heard a couple cracks.
I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent.
Okay, so I just did this 15-minute stretch. I'm done. I need to stop skipping dance class because if I wasn't skipping dance class, I would have been able to do this without a sweat. But because I haven't been in so long, that's why I'm going through this now. I have some plans with my friend. We're just about to go over each other's house and just like wallow. I don't know if y'all watch Gilmore Girls or y'all know what that is. But in the show, you know, when Rory was going through it, all she did was just wallow. Like, you know, eat ice cream, chill, just do nothing and sit at home. I'm just going to wallow at my friend's house because everything is better when you're at your friend's house. Like, you know, I'd rather be bored with my friend than be bored at home with my sister. I'm about to get ready to go to her house. She's going to come pick me up. And then, this boot is so ugly. Oh my gosh. And then I'm go over there. But because I just finished practicing and stretching and all of that, I'm about to go take a shower real quick. And then, yeah. All right, y'all. So I just got out this shower. And while my friend just texted me that she's outside and I'm in my robe. So I'm about to quickly put something random on. So let me just find some quick leggings, some cute, something simple, casual. I'll be right back.
Yeah. It's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little shit that me a war in my mind.
Y'all, it's a really nice day. My girl's here. Ugh. Y'all, whenever it's time to open a Tesla, it's never acidic. I can't hold y'all.
And then we'll just pick something from over there.
It's right across.
Never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar cold.
So we're at Safeway right now getting snacks. My friend don't want to be shown, but it's okay. But it's okay. It's okay. But yeah, we're getting some snacks right now, and then we're gonna head back to the house. These low-key look good. If you insist. Oh. Should I get these? Are you crazy? I did not know that. Alright, y'all, so we're at this ice cream place and we're about to get some ice cream before we go over to her house. Yes, please. Thank you. Guys, my sugar mother is buying me what I want. Thank you. Oh, like, what? Starbucks always sold out of something. That's why I hate Starbucks. Hey.
First touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, so lips, first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything.